I'm Aletha with WTI. This is my iPad mini case. It is a really nice case. I love it. It fits my iPad mini perfectly. One of the things I like about it is this nice leather feel of the case, so you can handle it without it slipping out of your hand because it's not slippery. It's like a cowhide grain. I love it. It's made very, very well. It has all of the openings and holes in just the right places for my speaker. It has the opening here for on the sides for my volume buttons, as well as perfect openings at the top for my mic. I love this little iPad case. When I open it, it automatically wakes up my iPad, and when I close it, it automatically puts the iPad to sleep. But what I really like about it is being able to hands-free view what I want to view without having to touch the iPad. And it has 3 levels of viewing. So straight up, then that one is a little bit more leaned, and this one leans it down a little bit further. Or I can just simply close it just like that. I think that it's a great product for protecting my iPad mini. I really love it. I highly recommend it, and that is my point of view.